Okay, in this edition of How to Write the Essay, subtext, Mr. Cowan should probably shave his face at some point. We're going to figure out what an outline is and how to use it to organize your essay, and then you're going to start filling in your outline. And the good news is for this step, you've already done all the thinking and the writing. You're just going to do a little copy and pasting. So what is an outline? An outline is a way for you to visually see the ideas in your essay. It's just one way to organize an essay, but it's something that when you figure out how to outline and understand the concept, you can apply it in a lot of different ways, like taking notes in class or organizing your own ideas. And the concept is this: the closer words are to this side of the page over here means the bigger the idea. So for example, intro paragraph, number 1, this is our first category. This is our first paragraph. It's going to be the intro paragraph. Notice there's no red, white, write thing here. You're not going to write anything for like up on this line specifically. But within your intro paragraph, there's 2 components, which is why these things go this way, over to the side, because they show they're part of this big category intro paragraph. And within the big category intro paragraph, you have 2 components. You have a summary and a thesis statement. Well, lucky for you, you've done both. So to do your outline for your essay, for the summary right here, just go copy and paste your summary. It's right here. Just wrote your summary right here. So Control C, after you select it, you got to use Control C. And then right here, click Control V. Notice that it all gets pasted in nicely. So component A, summary. Component B is your thesis statement. We've done that already too. So scroll back up in your document, find your thesis statement. Copy just the thesis statement, Control C. And then Control V like Velcro. So click right beyond the little right word and Control V for Velcro. There's your thesis statement. Now the other requirement for this, you need to add your summary to the outline, you need to add your thesis statement, and your big ideas. Your big ideas for your essay are the big ideas that you wrote about in your thesis statement. They're the elements of the text that you think helped create the theme. You identified them here. This person said that they chose major events in the plot, main character's culture, and important decisions or actions the main character made. You might want to think about a particular order you'd put these in, what makes the most sense for you. But for a lot of people, there isn't necessarily a right or wrong order to go in. But as you go down for outline for your essay, so your intro paragraph's already written at this point. First element of the text that created the theme, that's your first big idea. So major events in the plot. I would, generally speaking, go in order of your essay, the same order as you went in your thesis statement. That would make the most sense to a reader. So major events in the plot. And all this stuff right here, you're going to take care of that later in a different step. Second element of the text that created the theme. Well, what did I write? The main character's culture. So right here, the main character's culture. And then, third element of the text that created the theme, what did I write? Important decisions and actions the main character made. And I could be totally just like a total slacker and select this, Control C, make sure I very carefully click the right place, and then Control V, I'll paste it in. Maybe I'll do that for the other ones too. So that would, main character's culture, that'll be like really clear to me what I'm, like the link between my thesis statement and the main ideas of my essay. So that is all you need to do. Once you're done with that for this particular step, and those things are filled in, hit share, make sure you give it comment, it has commenting provisions, which obviously it has at this point, and then send it away back on Kiro. All right.